Hello, my name is Rebecca, and I am an American English teacher. Do you know this song? Almost Heaven, West Virginia, Blue Ridge Mountain, Shenandoah River, take me home down country roads. It was my favorite when I was a little girl, and I think it's interesting that so many of my students know the song from so many different countries. So, I teach English in an American public high school. Most of my students speak Spanish. I used to teach at a university in China. I taught IELTS. I taught in a refugee camp in Greece. My students were from the Middle East. So, I have taught lots of different students with lots of different needs. So, I have some different options available. Tell me what your goals are, and we can talk about what we could do together to help you meet your goals. For example, do you want to improve your academic English, like for the IELTS speaking test? For example, we could practice conditional statements. How would you feel if you lived in a different country? A common suggestion I make to students is to repeat the question in your example, like this. As long as I made a lot of money in a new country, I would be happy. Provided that I could make friends in a new country, I would be happy. Supposing that I lived in a new country, I would want a really good job. Then you would practice using these phrases, and we could practice other sample questions that you want help with. Or option 2, do you want to improve your general English or conversational English? For example, how to pronounce the past tense. English past tense has 3 different sounds. I cooked yesterday. I played music yesterday. I waited for a call yesterday. Some words sound like T. I cooked. It's a common error for students to say, I cooked, but the word is pronounced cooked. Cooked. There would be time for you to practice that. Or, option 3, do you want to learn fun stuff in English, like prepositions? Knocked on, knocked over, or knocked up all have 3 different definitions. We can practice those in a sentence and create some dialogues together. Or, do you speak a language that doesn't use the Roman alphabet, or you only know 1 or 2 words in English? I can help you learn your ABCs and 1, 2, 3s and common phrases. So, if you think this suits your needs, please schedule an appointment with me, and I look forward to being your teacher.